Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna present you a new website. It's Threadless. So before we start, let me give you a short idea about this one. Threadless is an online market platform and is designed merchandise with a focus on community, creativity, and quality. So to get started with Threadless, simply head on over to Threadless or Threadless.com on Google, and this is all the results I got here. So we need to choose the official website, Threadless, shop graphic designed t-shirts and apparel online. Let's click on it. So this is present page of the site. We will come back at later after I show you how to create an account on this website to use it easily. Okay. Like join them. We need to create our email here and desired username, and then password. It should be at least 8 characters. This should all be green to be a valuable password, and you need to confirm that you're not a robot. Then select all images with cars. Okay, this one here or this one here. Here or here. Okay. And then join Threadless. Need to find. So we create our account successfully, and we get back to the present page. Like you see here, we have the artists. The artist community on Threadless fosters a vibrant community of artists and designers. Artists can submit their original designs to be considered for printing and sale on the platform. The community also allows artists to engage with one another, share feedback, and collaborate on projects. And we have here for thems, that means the design submission and voting. The artist can submit their design to Threadless for consideration. The designs are then open for community voting, where users can vote on their favorite design. High voted designs have a better chance of being selected for printing and sale. We have other services over here and a lot of items and products, phone cases, hoodies, t-shirts, a lot of things. And like you see with me here, this website is presenting you the product range. The Threadless offers a variety of products featuring artist design graphics, including t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, our brands, home decor items, accessories, and more. The range of products allows customers to find unique and creative designs on various items, and you can do that from over here. accessories, bags, drinkware, lifestyle, office. For the wall art, we find brands, skirtboard, themes right here for home decor. We have kitchen, bathroom, living. All this is main product range. And we have also limited edition release. The Threadless frequently features limited edition release and collaboration, with artists, brands, and organizations. These special collections offer a customer an opportunity to own exclusive design and support specific causes or collaboration. And we have a royalty system. Threadless operates on a royalty system where artists earn a portion of the sales made from their designs. As excuse me, artists receive a commission for each item sold, with their artwork providing them with an opportunity to monetize their creativity. And let's try to choose an item, like example, and this one, let's choose for travel, for example, to see the range of products how it is on this website. Like choosing here for travel, this is what we find. And also, there is a community challenge and reward. The Threadless hosts design challenges and competitions to encourage artists' participations. These challenges often come with specific themes, and winning designs can receive cash prizes, additional royalties, and other rewards. And the Threadless offers a unique platform for artists to showcase their designs and for customers to find and support independent artists. With its artist community design submission, yeah, submission and voting, diverse products, a range, a royalty system, and limited edition release. Threadless provides an avenue for creative expression and discovery of one-of-a-kind design. So this is all what I can say you about this website today. If you understand me, please follow for more and subscribe. So like usual guys, bye bye to the next video and next websites.